Hello everyone, today we are going to discuss the case of fat necrosis. A 52 years old male patient come with a right lumbar small swelling. Patient gave a history of blunt trauma from some daily household goods. Let's see what we have got on ultrasound. Here you can see the high frequency ultrasound of the right lumbar region. The abdominal wall shows a heterogeneously hyperechoic area just below the skin. You can see this echogenic area is the outer part and it is thickened, but the central part looks hypoechoic. So it is confined with the superficial layer. No intra-abdominal communication is seen. So it is localized lesion. Unfortunately, I forgot to save the color Doppler pictures. Just found this situation when I tried to make this video. I can assure you that on color Doppler there was no apparent vascularity here. So whenever you see this type of lesion with peripheral thick hyperechoic margin and central hypoechogenicity, commonly with a history of trauma, then it's supposed to be a case of fat necrosis. Here is the picture. You can see this lesion here with peripheral hyperechoic thick area and the central hypogenicity. This is no surrounding architectural distortion. Also, here is the measurement. It's slightly more than 1 centimeter in length. So in summary, there is a visible swelling at the right lumbar region, which is an oval soft tissue lesion with peripheral thick hyperechoic margin. Color Doppler shows no internal vascularity, though I failed to show you the color Doppler pictures, and there was no intra-abdominal communication or surrounding architectural distortion. So these features concluded as a case of superficial fat necrosis. Now, the take-home message: if there is any unusual vascularity on Doppler in this lesion, then an FAC correlation is recommended because you need to exclude liposarcoma. Maybe there is a history of trauma, maybe there is many other histories, but you need to save the patient's life. So don't ignore the vascularity that I ignored to show you today. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe and stay tuned for more imaging and informative videos.